Hey, welcome back to edtech by Meera, and today again another Python beginner project for code newbies. And this is a very simple one. What I'm going to show you is how to build or how to create a very simple dictionary using Python 3. So basically, as in Python 3, when you say a dictionary, how do you write that? So it's like in dictionary equals curly braces. You have to write whatever is the variable and the value. Okay, so we start off here. We want to make a dictionary. So the variable is dictionary here. So I just write it in the dictionary format, website. So this is dictionary about website names, website URLs, all the details, the description of website. So here I call it website. You can call it anything else, or you can even call it website name. You can just call it name. So my first variable is website. So that one, remember, you have to write within the quotes. So this is the value is none, because now we have this is based on the value fed by input, by the user inputting the value. So as of now, none, URL none, description none, rating none, because this is the initial values. We are creating the values of the dictionary with the various variables, the website, the URL, the description, and the rating. Now dedicate the initial value as none, because the user has not yet input the values, right? So this is going to be values based on user input. Okay. Now after this we use the for loop in Python. So for website in dictionary. So for this variable website in dictionary.keys, because what is it's actually the website, the URL, the description, and the rating. What is it actually? They are all the keys. Yeah. So for website in dictionary.keys, for website, considering the website key in dictionary.keys. It's got other keys, but we are considering the website. What is the loop here? Dictionary, because that's what you're doing, creating. So dictionary within the square brackets, website. So that means the value of the website in the dictionary is going to be, this is how you read it, it's going to be input using the input function. Input, what is it? Using the formatting, F formatting. F. You can also use the regular code saying input your value of website. You can do that also. But here we are using the F formatting. So input, F, and then the quotes. This I've already shown before in other projects. Using the F format, it's like this. So input, inside that F, within the quotes, the website, and then this colon. So what happens? The user can input the value of the website key. Then print, this will implement the printing, the blank print, the print function. Then you create another for loop here, which is exactly the code that we use for dictionary. How do we say? The parameters. So that means for usually in a dictionary you have a key and the value. So here the parameter, let's say considering website. So for website comma value. So the key, website, and the value for this in dictionary dot items. So in other words, the items you want to have the values. Items are website, URL, description, rating, which we use as keys here. So for website comma value, that means we want both the item and the value in dictionary dot items. Yeah. What is happening here? What you want to implement, or what you want that function to do? You want to use the print function to print out the items and the value. The first for loop we create to use the input function and get out the values. In the second one, you write, this is the code for printing out the items and the values in a dictionary. So for website and value in dictionary.items, using the print format, items, value. Now here, You already finished the code, so test it out. Website, it's already showing, it's running. So you write the name of the website. All this while you are coding, now you are testing as a user. So let's print out some values. You can write like FCC, FreeCodeCamp, Replit, whatever you want to write. You can write that out. And then click enter, press enter. By the way, I'm using Replit here, the Replit IDE playground. So that's a very useful one, and it works very in a very interesting way with full features for code newbies who are learning programming in the beginning. You can straight away push your code to your GitHub using this way, using the Replit. Okay, so I'm writing FreeCodeCamp, some name for the website. So here website key means website name. So FreeCodeCamp. URL freecodecamp.org. Description, something just to test it out. I write the best free app to learn coding or blah, 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 whatever you want to write. Yeah. Rating, I want to give it a 5-star rating. There you go. Click enter and all your information is here. This is like a dictionary, and then you can keep on doing that for different sites. And so this is like, see, so the last one I've already done, formatting website values. So the last line, be very careful. The last line of code for website value dictionary.items, print F format website to value. This is how you write the items and the value. List it out in a dictionary. So that's the code for dictionary item to values. So you understood how to do. First you bring out the keys with none values, dedicate them none, no values. You define the dictionary and then you create the 2 for loops and you test it out. So this is quite pretty simple. I'm doing that with some other values. So here I'm writing like Replit. First it was FreeCodeCamp just to test it out. And I'm running it and I'm sure getting the values this time also. So you can use my code. I'll be writing the source code here also, so you can test it out while watching or after watching it. If you don't follow anything, you can write it in the comment section, and see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and the like button so that you can get more such tutorials for code newbies in Python 3. See you in the next